ya wo Bono mantam ne mo se nei ensuo ne kane abo no PULC di abane de eku no mo pa ntinke be ya aban no enye bibi fa ho ebi ni Adom TV Kasee edi nkomoi
Kromafo wo mo ewo Bono mantam ne mo nsem bia wode ya to Adom Kasee enimane se said the Public Utility Regulatory Commission no asifa peja nsuo ne anyina mawoden bo wo man Ghana mo no e kamia ye said wo mo hyedan dwen Ghana de hye ho na said ye ho sa ho kyera bo man mo no se be na se anyina mawoden bo ne nsuo bo ne soso wo peja mu a e be ma ho kyera ne mu aba be ye den pan yi na san soso ne be ma setena ne soso aye bibie wo ho abra wo kyera wo mo nsem ne mo no sei e no mo kan.
At first we used to pay 200 for a month for the light bill, but now 400, 450 before we can use it for the month. So it's giving us problem a lot. To me, if you will hear me there, I can say you should stop, because even what we are in now is affecting us a lot. So I don't know if we add something to it. I don't know what is going to happen again. But for me, if you is going to listen to me there, like I was saying, you should stop increasing it.
And the hawkers see a pine of a bias. You won't buy your own that. They say light, why the onion scanning a backup to light. It's so so private facility persuades. Yes, sir, Nana say yes, sir. Yes, I didn't say it. Can't share any dear. On money, no compound from my. Then back there, I'm why you cry.
Water and light are very essential in human life. You know, these two commodities are necessity. Without these two commodities, human being will find it difficult to survive. So increasing water and the electricity bill, in fact, is very dangerous. It's going to be suicidal.
This increment will really affect us badly. So we are pleading with the government to take on this.